from a level of seriousness, and then we kind of work it down towards once they sign up, and then we're celebrating, right? So it's more happy and jovial at the end after they've made that decision.
Now, when you start out, Dr. Lewis, you start your day two, you come in, you got the patient there, their spouse. What's sort of your process? I'm sure you don't jump right in and say, here's your report of findings. Like, how do you kind of start that consultation off?
So like usually the more often than not, the spouse, husband, wife, significant other is not at the day one. So we're meeting them for the first time. So we do our meet and greet. And I just kind of think of this emotional scale, like lighthearted in the beginning because I'm meeting the spouse, want to build just a little bit of rapport. But then I go right into serious mode, like level 10 out of 10 on seriousness, because, in a lot of instances, especially like with neuropathy, we could be talking about the difference between losing limbs or not. So I want to get into this 10 out of 10 state from a level of seriousness, and then we kind of work it down towards once they sign up, and then we're celebrating, right? So it's more happy and jovial at the end after they've made that decision. So like I'll say, hey, welcome back, John. Nice to meet you. Mary, welcome. Good to have you here today. And then I'll just kind of recap what we did. So I'm introducing the spouse into this arena. So Mary, yesterday we did a battery of tests on John to determine, number one, does he have even the problem that we can help, or do we need to refer him to someplace else? And what that does is it lowers, because they come in, you have to understand, with like red flags, and they have their defenses up. He's going to try to sell me something, or whatever his sales pitch is or whatever. So we want to lower those sales defenses. So one way you can do that is, we did a battery of tests to determine, number one, does he even have the problem we can help with? Or is it too late? Like if he does, is it too advanced to the point that we can't help, that there's nothing really that can be done? Or do we need to refer him? Is it not even that problem? We need to refer him to a different specialist. What was it about what John, told you when he got home from the visit that really stood out? And she'll usually say, oh, he didn't really tell me too much, or, they'll mention something.